Hi there, if you got the same key fob as me, which is from the J10 keyless entry vehicle, then you may find that one day you come along and the battery is not actually working. Okay, now in order to stop you from getting stuck outside your car, this fob has a hidden key. So you can see the little arrow there with lock. We're going to unlock it. So we're going to pull this button back and push it in the direction of that. Okay, and that will unlock it and expose the hidden key, which is there. Pull it back with your finger and there you go. Now this will allow you to gain entrance into the car using the standard key turn. Basically insert it into the fob and twist. That will get entrance to the car, and then the next thing you need to do is start the ignition. Now normally it would just keyless entry. So if you look at the little turn switch you turn, you'll see that it's actually got a cover which can flick out, and that will expose the keyhole for you to start your car. Now we're going to be putting this back in because I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this. Okay, so when we turn it sideways, you'll see this little slot here. Okay, now if you twist it with one of these thin ones, you're just going to distort it and damage the plastic. So we need a wider one, as wide as you can get, which will fit in there nicely. And we're going to twist it, okay, which will expose it, and then we're going to twist it over here a little bit further on, and that will just flip it open. Okay, once it's flipped to open, you'll be able to see the battery concealed in there. And this is where we use the smaller one. So we're going to put the smaller one just over there and lift it out. Okay, there we go. Now when you lift it out, you'll be able to see the type of battery, which is the CR2032. Okay, so we'll do put that one away and we'll get the new one. Okay, and again we're going to pop it down and point it downwards so it's facing downwards, and we're going to reassemble the case. Okay, it's worthwhile tightening the screw up, just checking sure it's tight. You need a little Phillips screw for that one. So here we go, we're going to push it down, and I'm going to push it down there, I'm going to push it down there, make sure it's locked all the way around. Okay, so it's locked on that side, it's locked on that side. I'm going to test now to see if it works. There's a little flashing light. Okay, and I'm going to reassemble it with this thing. Now do remember, I've got a lot of videos on Nissan Qashqai on here, particularly the J10. And there you go. So just subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to push this back, and that's you done. Simple as that. I'd say change your J10, test it in the car, the light's working, it will work. Take care, bye.